Hey everyone, I'm Mohini Bajpai. Today I'm going to teach you a very interesting part of math, that is integer. Let's go. Before going to practical part of integer, let's first discuss about the theoretical part of integers. Now, the first question arises, what is integers? Integer is the collection of whole numbers and the negative numbers together is called integers. Now, the collection of whole numbers. What is whole number? The whole number is the set of natural number with 0 is known as whole number. Example 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinite is known as whole number. And the negative number, that is, it is very simple, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 to minus infinite, that is called negative number. Now the collection of whole number, that is 0 to infinite, and the negative number minus 1 to infinite minus infinite is known as integers. Now second point, what the second point says, all positive number is called positive integers. This means all positive numbers means plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 to plus infinite is known as positive integers, and all negative number is called negative integers means minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 to minus infinite. This all negative number is called negative integers, but remember 0 is neither positive nor negative number. Now this is a chart showing you all the natural number, whole number is come under the integers, means natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinite, whole numbers means 0 to infinite come under the integers, means all the negative numbers, positive number with 0 is all are integers. Now the representing of integers on number line. How to represent the number line? First we have to draw a line. This is a line which showing you a number 1, 2, 3, 4 in right side, and left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and in between that this is 0. 0 is always come between the negative integers and the positive integers. The positive integers is all positive number, consist of all positive number, and the negative integers is consist of all negative numbers, and distance between all are is same, means 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Ordering of integers. Ordering of integers means right side we get the larger number, as we move left side we get the smaller number. This means as we move right side we get the larger number 1, 2, 3, 4. This means the number are increasing because this is a positive number. As we move in the left side means 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. These all numbers are a small number, these all number are decreasing. In short we can say this, right side we has a larger number and the left side is a smaller number. These are the some examples. In this 8 is right side of 2. This means 8 is a right side means the positive one, the larger one. Now 8 is a right side of 2. This means 8 is greater than 2 because it is in right side. Now second, 6 is left side of 8. Now see left side means the smaller one. 6 is left side means smaller of 8. This means 8 is greater than 6, or we can say this, 6 is smaller than 8. Now third, 4 is a right side. Now see right side means larger of minus 2 is in left side, so 4 is a greater than minus 2. Now in this thing we should first see what is written, right side or left side. The right side is larger one, left side is smaller one. The number is in right side is greater, the number which is left side is smaller. Now these three questions are for you. You have to practice of your own. Let us know some important facts of integers. Any positive integers is always greater than negative integers. What does it means? It means the positive integers, the integers come in the right side of the zero is always positive, that is greater than the negative integers. What is negative integers? The integers which comes in the left hand side of zero is smaller than the positive integers. Means positive integers is always greater than the negative integers. Now second point is 0 is less than every positive integers. As I told you, what is positive integers? Positive integers are the right hand side of 0 is positive integers, that is always greater than 0, or we can say this 0 is always less than the positive integers. Means 0 is always less than 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now third point is 0 is greater than the negative integers. What is negative integers? The left hand side of the integers are negative. -1, -2, -3 is always less than 0. Means if we say 0 and -2, which one is smaller? The -2. Or we can say which is the greater one in 0 and -2. 0 is greater than -2. Now fourth point, as I told you before, the 0 is neither come in the negative side or positive side. This it is written here, 0 does not come in negative side and the positive integer. It is come between the negative and positive integers. Let us talk about the addition of integers. For adding addition of integer, first we talk about the addition of two positive integers. If we want to add two positive integer, what we have to do? If we have to take two positive integers, simple add them as a natural number. Let's take an example. If there is +6 +7, this means this is positive integer, this is also positive integers. +6 is positive and +7 is positive. Now take the number, simple take the number 6 and 7, that is equals to 13. You get the answer. And 13 means if there is no sign before the 13, it automatically tells it is positive. 13 means +13. Now take the second example, +8 +4. First see the sign of the integers. Plus means it is positive integers. Just take the two numbers, that is 8 and 4, add them and you get the answer, means 12. That is +12. Now these two are two question is for you. You have to practice them of your own. For adding of two negative number, what we have to do for adding two negative number? We have to simple add them as a natural number and put the negative sign. Let's see the example. Take a 6, it is given -6 -7, both the integers are negative. Now take them in bracket. 6 + 7, 6 is also negative, 7 is also negative, so we take the negative sign as a common and put the 6 and 7 in the bracket. Add the 6 and 7, that is equal to 13, and put the minus sign. You get the answer. Now second example. First see the integers given in the question, that is -7 -3. It is clear that both the integers are negative, so take the integers in brackets 7 and 3, and both the integers are negative, so we take the minus sign as a common. Add the 7 + 3, that equals to 10, and put the minus sign before the answer. This is your answer. And now these are the two questions you have to do for your practice, and please give the answer in the comment section. Addition of negative number and the positive number. If we have to add one negative number, one positive number, then simply subtract the number and put the sign of bigger integer. Let's see the example. The example has given -6 plus 7. Now first step is to subtract the 7 minus 6, that is equals to 1. Now second step, see the which integer is bigger, 6 or 7. 7 is the bigger one. Now third step is the see which sign does that bigger integer have. Either it is positive or negative. So 7 has the positive integer, positive sign, so the answer is +1. Now come to the second question. Second question has given 6 plus 7 minus 6 plus -7, bracket में -7. So first step is to subtract them. Simple subtract them means 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Now see the which integer is bigger, 6 or 7. 7 is the big integer. Now concentrate on 7. Which sign does the 7 has, positive or negative? It has a negative sign, so the answer is -1. So these two question is your for practice. You have to practice, and please give the answer in the comment section. These are the question for your practice. I have merged all the question in one slide, or you can say in one page. These are the question which is given, I have given in the previous slides. So please solve them and answer them in the comment section, so which help me to know whether you understand the video or not, and this is also help me to improve my video session. So please solve them, it will help you and help me also. So please solve them and answer in the comment section. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.